Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to protect your MS Word document with password. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To protect MS Word document with password, open your MS Word document, click on File tab on upper left corner, click on Info. Here you will find some options. The first option is Protect Document. Click on Protect Document button. Here there are some options. The second option is Encrypt with Password. Click on Encrypt with Password. Now set your password here. I have set my password. Now click on OK. Then re-enter the password and click on OK. The document is protected. A password is required to open this document. Okay, now I am going to check. Close the document. Open File Explorer. This is the document. I am going to open it. And look, password is required to open the file. I am typing the password. Then click on OK. And then I can access to the file. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.